Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are willing to switch their career into this profession or for freshers also. So also I will add a UI UX course link in the description. You can check out later. Also, let's start with the review. It's a image new media design UX UI course by Image Creative Edition. And if we go down, it's a 12-month course and also a 24-month course, 1 year or 2 year course. And the eligibility are 10th plus 2 12th or graduate. Also, if we go down, it's about the overview of the what you will learn: visual communication design, foundation of arts, 3D visualization, visual branding. And if we go down, they also have Gen AI Advantage, ND proof certificate, 100% placement assistance is there, job opportunities is there, career advancement is also there. And if we go down, expert faculty is also there. These are the career option after the course: UI designer, product designer, interaction designer. These are the overall companies, like 1500 plus companies partnered. This is the student portfolio. There's nothing else. They also didn't mention any overview of the course, basically UI UX, but they are going to teach you mainly. Motion design is also there, wireframing and UI prototype is also there, portfolio helpment is also there. Overall, it's a good course. You can go with that. Overall, the UI of the page is also nice. And if we go down, rest nothing else. So if we need to rate according to the parameters, curriculum depth is 0, user research fundamental is 1, quality is also 1. Hand-on project is there. Tools and software training, as you didn't mention any tools or softwares they are going to teach you. So it's a 0. Mentorship is there. Portfolio development is also there. Placement JD support is also there. And course values fees, as you didn't mention any fees, or course value is 0.5. And if industry reference update is also 0.5. So it's a 7 out of 10. So it's an average course. If you want to pursue, you can go with that. But again, there are many better courses in the market which contain the heavy weightage in terms of design quality, in terms of mentorship feedback, in terms of portfolio development. Also, I have a better course recommendation. I will add the link in the description. You can check from there, which contain the heavy weightage in terms of mentorship, in terms of updates, where they are also guiding you about the AI tools which will help in Figma and XD in UI UX design, also help in mentorship and feedback about the portfolio development and placement and support. You can check the link in the description. Also, if you have any query related to course selection or overall quality of the design, you can drop a comment. I will definitely help you. Thank you.